Good morning, advisory students. I hope you are all doing well and you've had a restful couple of weeks off here. So we are ready to get started with our distance learning today. So what I would like you guys to do every day when you first log into your computer to get started with your work for the day, I'd like you to come to our Schoology page first for our homeroom. There are going to be a couple of things that you will be required to do for homeroom. It's nothing major. Things like watching the morning show because we are going to put some important announcements on it. And then I might have something for you to respond to or something for you to do each day. Okay. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be your main point person. So if you have a problem or a question or something and you can't get a hold of your teacher, you can come to me and I can kind of help facilitate that. So in order for me to kind of keep track of how you guys are doing, I'm going to have you meet with me each week virtually through Google Meet. Okay, so if you're looking at the screen right here, okay, this is just kind of the welcome here, but each day there'll be a folder with the date labeled on it. So for today is going to be Monday, March 30th. And so the three things that you'll need to do, or however many there are, will be listed below there with links, okay? So the first thing you'll do is you'll watch the morning show. I'm actually recording this last Thursday, so I'm not sure if there's a morning show yet, so I'll delete that if there isn't. The other thing that you need to do is you need to sign up for your advisory check-in with me. And I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. And then also we're kind of doing a virtual school spirit week, and so the theme for today is Pajama Day, which probably a lot of you are still wearing your pajamas, so you're ready to go. And Miss Allen made a Flipgrid so you can upload little videos or pictures of yourself doing that we'll share so everyone can kind of get a little bit excited and know that we're all in this together, okay? So for the advisory check-in, what I have is I have the whole week for this week between 1 and 3 p.m. You just are signing up for one 15-minute slot, okay? So you might try to sign up today or tomorrow or whenever works for you. If those times don't work, let's say you are required to be helping a sibling or something during those times, just let me know and we'll find a different time that will work for you, okay? But I want one 15-minute slot each week for you to chat with me. So to do that, you should just be able to click right on there. And again, it's last Thursday, but when you're looking at it on Monday, it will show like this. And so you can pick, here's the 5 days of the week, and you can pick whichever time will work for you. And I don't know why this is doubling up like this. So if one of them's already filled in or blanked out, don't do the same time on the other column, I guess, because I can't really talk to two people at once. So what you would do is just click, let's say you want to meet today at 1 o'clock, and then you would hit save, okay? And what that will do is it will automatically put it onto your calendar and it will send you an email reminder, okay? So what you can do then is look at your calendar and then it's blocked off like this. So you can look at your calendar, and here's my calendar. It's probably a lot busier than yours. If you don't know how to access your calendar, it's up here. Click on the Google Apps and then click on calendar. Pretty easy. And then it will say, oops, it will say what time advisory check-in. And so if you click on that, and then I have written in here, click here to join me in Google Meet for your scheduled appointment. And so when it's 1:15, you would click right on there and it would bring you to Google Meet and you will get to chat with me face-to-face virtually. Okay? So that is how you do that. Yeah, so again, welcome back. Please, please, please let me know if you need anything, if you're having trouble connecting with anything or you're not understanding something. All of your regular teachers will also have like office hours that you can meet with them as well. You can also email anyone, but if you're not able to get answers to things, contact me and I'm more than happy to help you figure it out. Okay? Good luck and I will talk to you guys later this week.